We're going to be tackling this grout today, and let's see if we can get all of this to come out with the cleaners that I'm going to be testing today. Today we are going to be cleaning my grout. So I bought two different cleaners. I wanted to see how they compare against each other. One of them is Zep Grout Cleaner and Brightener. So this is acidic. It says it deep cleans, removes stains from grout, makes grout look new again. So we're going to be using this product to see if it will take out some of the black that's in my shower and some of the red that is in this grout right here. Another product we're going to be putting to the test is called Ecolab. Now, both products essentially say they do the same thing, which is a brightening grout cleaner. But this one is not acidic. So we're going to see if the acidic means something when taking out stains in the grout. So this product says it restores original grout. It's non-acidic, safe for all grout, and it takes 2 minutes to deep clean and lift stains. So we're gonna put this on a timer. With the Zep, it says 3 minutes. So we're gonna put them both to the test and see which one actually works better on grout. So let's see how they work. Let's get started. Make sure when you are working with chemicals, anytime you are working with them, please ventilate your area and turn on the vent. Okay, so this is what my grout looks like in the guest bathroom. So some of this is caulk, so we'll see if it works on the caulking as well, but this is strictly for grout. And as you can see, if I get closer, the grout is red. So let's see if it can restore the grout back to its natural color like it claims. The direction says just wipe it, and let's see how it looks when we just wipe it and see if we have to do a little scrubbing. I'm applying Ecolab. Ecolab is a very thin product, and I'm applying it straight from the bottle. I'm only going to be doing a few spots just to see how this product works on the grout. And if you notice that I'm wearing a mask, it's because these types of products can mess with your respiratory, it can mess with your eyes, it can mess with your skin. So it's important that you wear the right gear when you are working with these types of products. I am going over the spots where I put the Ecolab with the microfiber cloth. It is bringing some stuff off on the rag, but I still had to scrub some of the areas because they were just a little too stained. This is the caulking I was talking about. I wanted to try the cleaning solution, the grout cleaner, on the caulking as well, just to see if it would actually help bring some of that mold off of that caulking. It is important to make sure that you are rinsing down the shower really good after using a grout cleaner. The last thing you want it to do is sit on the grout too long and stain it and cause any residue to be left behind. Now I am in my master bedroom shower, and as you can see, the caulking on the floor of the shower is pretty bad. So I wanted to see if one of the cleaners could bring that out. Actually, I tried both cleaners on this stain, and the Ecolab did a better job on it. So this is what I was talking about when I said caulking on my shower floor. Here I am putting the Ecolab on some of the spots where I had tested the Zep. So let's see how it comes out. I'm just going over all of the grout, just trying to get it as clean as possible. Like I said, I've let my shower sit for a while. Just been too busy to get it clean, so today was the day that I had to get this clean because it's been way too long. This is the finished product. I got it clean the best that I could, with as long as that is set with the mold in it. I'm gonna have to go over this shower probably multiple times, but I don't think it looks that bad after just one cleaning. So now that I tried both products, what do I think of either product? Well, I tried both products on both bathrooms. My shower is by far the worst of the two. The mold is everywhere, even around my shower, the bottom part of my shower where there's caulking. I even tried both products on that caulking area as well to see if it would essentially bring some of that mold off of the caulking. Well, the Ecolab did a better job on that, but I didn't expect either product to get it off the caulking, because essentially that's not what the product is for. It's for grout. So as far as the grout goes, both products essentially work the same in my opinion. So if you are looking for a grout cleaner, then Zep or Ecolab both can do the job. The Ecolab was a little bit more expensive than the Zep, but just by a couple of cents, I got both of these products from Home Depot. So, like I said, if you're looking for a product to get for your moldy grout, or even if the grout's just a little bit red and you can't get that off, and sometimes it's tough to get that off, you can use this product. What I did not see with both products, which they both claim, is that they brighten the grout. Now, I didn't see that in my shower or in this bathroom. I did not see the brightness of the grout. It just looked cleaner, but but it didn't look like it was bright. So I mean, I'm not sure about the brightness, but if you're looking for a cleaner, they're both good as far as getting the mold out of the grout. So a little pro tip for you is that once you do take a shower, to keep the mold from coming back, you can ventilate your bathroom. Leave the shower glass door open, or if you have a shower curtain, leave it open. If you have a squeegee, if you can squeegee the water off of your walls, it will help with the grout getting moldy. So that is my pro tip to you. So I hope this video helped you in some way, shape, or form on deciding which product to get if you are looking to clean your grout. If this video did help you, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What is your go-to for your grout? I would love to know that. I like to try different ways and different products to use on my grout to see what works the best for me. If you are someone who doesn't like chemicals in your bathroom, you can always use baking soda with a little bit of Dawn dish detergent and some water, mix that together and make a paste, and then just apply that to your grout and let it sit for a while, maybe 30 minutes or so, and go in there and give it a good little scrubbing and see how that works for you. If this video has resonated with you, if you can subscribe, I would greatly appreciate that. It really helps my channel grow. And until next time, have a great day and thank you for watching.